Akiaria mwena wa Saikuru mathiko-ini ma andu atano a nyumba imwe aria gikuo kiao kiumanire na mutino muru wa barabara, Kalonzo Musyoka ni ahinyiriirie ati kuga mogaruruku maria mekitwo ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya IEBC Wafula Chebukati kamiti-ini iyo ti makinyaniru ma kugitira githurano kumana na uici no gwaka hinyiriria murugamo wa NASA ati matigathie githurano-ini mendekithia macio matahingitio.
What I think is happening to IEBC is just pure cosmetic changes. Much as we respect the authority as an independent institution, but it is an institution on whose shoulders the whole country stands. And therefore it is a very unique institution. I want to challenge IEBC to stand as strong as a Supreme Court and act justly. I always think that if you do justice, there will be peace in Kenya.
Kalonzo hone ugite kweherio kwa ugitiri wao hindi ino kambeini nyitite thinga bururi-ini nikionereria kiega thirikari ni mabangiire jama itari njega.
So what is it when they withdraw the security of a presidential candidate? It's like allowing Mungiki to go and fix 10 of us. That's what we mean. If any candidate is for any reason, if he dies, the word actually the Constitution uses is if any of the 4 candidates, one of them dies, there will be no election.
Oho Kalonzo ni agiire kiene ikinya ria mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi niwe Keria Kotobiko ria kwenda mathuthurio kumana na uge wao gutigakorwo na githurano kinene, akiuga ino no jama ya thirikari ya kwenda kumanyarira. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, niĩ ngetwo Wambui Njihia.